Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to pause or sync OneDrive when you're on a metered connection in Windows 11. If you're trying to save data or manage bandwidth, this is a super handy trick. Let's get started. First, let's understand what a metered connection is. A metered connection is a network setting where data usage is limited. This is particularly useful when you're on a mobile hotspot or a limited data plan. By default, OneDrive continues syncing even on metered connections, but we can adjust this. Right-click on the OneDrive icon on the taskbar, click the gear icon on the top right corner. Select Settings from the list of options. Go to the Sync and Backup tab. Turn off the Pause Syncing when this device is on a metered network toggle. With that, OneDrive syncs even when your device is on a metered network. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you can easily pause or control OneDrive syncing while on a metered connection in Windows 11. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.